You must have heard a lot about chia seeds, but do you know why it's so popular? These tiny seeds have been praised for their health benefits for centuries and are a staple in the ancient Aztec and Maya diets. They're jam-packed with essential nutrients like antioxidants, fiber, and minerals that provide a wide range of health benefits for our bodies. In this video, we will dive into the wonderland of chia seeds and uncover the treasure trove of health benefits they offer. So, without making you wait any longer, let's get started and discover the magic of chia seeds. Number 1. Improve heart health. One of the most incredible health benefits of chia seeds is their ability to improve your heart health. These tiny seeds contain quercetin, an antioxidant that can help you avoid various illnesses, including heart disease. The seeds are also plentiful in fiber, which can help lower blood pressure and, as a result, minimize your risk of heart disease. Number 2. Support weight loss. If you're looking to shed some extra pounds, chia seeds can be a great addition to your weight loss journey. These seeds are a significant source of fiber, as they contain 39% of your daily intake in just a 1-ounce serving. Plus, the protein in chia seeds could help you feel full for longer periods, reducing your cravings and snacking habits. Number 3. Promote bone health. Chia seeds are an excellent source of magnesium and phosphorus that help maintain strong bones and prevent conditions like osteoporosis. They also contain omega-3 fatty acids, which play a crucial role in bone metabolism and have been linked to improved bone mineral density and reduced risk of fractures. Number 4. Combats free radicals. As we said earlier, chia seeds are rich in antioxidants, so it's no surprise that they also have the power to fight against free radicals, which can cause cell damage and lead to various health issues. Eating antioxidant-rich foods like chia seeds can help protect against chronic diseases. Number 5. Reduce blood sugar levels. Chia seeds have a high fiber content. According to research, fiber may help reduce insulin resistance and improve blood sugar levels, lowering your risk of developing type 2 diabetes. In short, chia seeds are a powerhouse of essential nutrients that can provide numerous health benefits. From reducing inflammation to boosting energy levels, these tiny seeds are truly a superfood that deserves a spot in your daily diet.